To perform a first setup on Eufy C10, first of all you will need to grab your robot and then remove everything from the protection plumbs. So we're gonna remove those two white things, and then we also need to remove this sticker right here. Try to pull on it carefully so it doesn't leave any glue on your robot. When we have that ready, we need to flip our robot, and on the other side you will find an empty slot. I already inserted my dustbin tank, but it's pretty simple. All you have to do is grab on those two buttons and then pull it out if you want to remove it, but in this case we want to insert it. So before we do that, actually we need to check inside of our dustbin if we have the HEPA filter installed. It should look like this. If you have it that way, then it's ready to go in. Now we need to align it with our slots, so put it in like this and then just push on it until it clicks. So everything should look like that. You have your main brush installed, and that means our robot is ready. Next step is our charging station, and for that you will need to remove the dust bag from the box and then use this side like that and slide it right here. So it just goes in like so, and then make sure that your the bag is not folded or anything. Just try to make it as open as possible, and finally you can use the top cover to close the top hatch, and then place it where you want it to be in your house and connect it to the power source. And the next step is to download the Eufy app. I already have it, but if you don't know how to do it, just open a Google Play Store on your Android device or App Store on iPhone device, and in the search look for the Eufy. Just type in Eufy without anything and then scroll down looking for the Eufy Clean. It's the app that we want to download, so install the app and then we can proceed to the first setup. Next step, when everything is done correctly, is to place your robot close to the station. I would even insert it into the station, and after that we can open our Eufy Clean app that we've downloaded. Then log in or create your account. I'm gonna zoom in on the camera so that you can see something on my phone, and then we can continue the setup. So when you're logged in, click on Add Device and then look for your Eufy C10. It's this one right here that we can select, and then you will need to power on your device. If it's connected to the charging station, it will eventually boot up. Wait for the sound and look on on this side right here. When it blinks, that means it's on and ready to be connected. If not, then click on the power button until it powers on. It should take around 3 seconds after you clicked on that button. Next step is to press and hold left and right side buttons at the same time, which means home button and power button at the same time. So click and hold them.
Wi-Fi has been reset.
And when you hear that prompt, confirm that the reset is completed and move to the next step. Enable app permissions. It's necessary for the app. So we need to click on each of the permissions and enable them. Now we can start connecting. Here's our device. We can hit connect button. And then we need to log in to our Wi-Fi. So enter a password for your Wi-Fi network right here. I'm gonna do it off camera. Okay, so the setup is basically finished. All you have to do is click on enter to open your robot settings, and that way you'll be able to also perform the firmware update if it's necessary for your robot, and start basically using it. So that is everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.